what will happen today, what problems will be fixed, what we will change here. Oh, I see a lot of cars here. Yeah. So, this is our car. So, Mr. Master, what will happen now? What will you do here?
We're going actually to start now. This car came for a couple of jobs. So we're going to actually start with engine flush.
Okay.
So we need actually to put the engine flush liquid on the side. Okay, and the power steering flush as well. Okay,
I see.
Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. And the car has to be running. And then you switch it off, and then we have to re-drain everything.
Okay.
And once we're finished, we need to start with the next job, which is tapping gasket.
Oh, you are only specialist on German cars, as I understand, because I was sent by somebody that you are a good garage and you are doing only in service in German cars.
We are actually specialized in German cars and English cars. We've been actually doing this since we started. That's actually my study and all programming as well.
So what is this now?
It's that's the engine flush.
Okay.
That's actually a German brand as well.
Okay.
One of the best ever in the world. Everyone knows what Slocomole is. So that's gonna actually clean all the carbons inside the engine. Yeah, I mean, any new customer we do a free checkup, and we give him also 15% discount.
Okay. Sometimes, customers, they don't bring the full part. Sometimes they forget, like me, I forgot some spare parts. Do you have spare parts? Or?
We do provide all the spare parts. We have also our discount, 30% discount on the showroom. But frankly speaking, we don't give the 30% straight away to the client. We give actually 25% to the client, and we keep 5% to us, which is, you can say, transport.
So
and all this, yeah.
your clients can save up to 25%
on the parts.
On the parts.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Okay, I have to tell them. I have one more question. Can our followers, subscribers contact you for some advice?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Anytime we do have the email, and we do also have live chats always on our website. Okay. And he can communicate always in WhatsApp as well. WhatsApp service is 24/7.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So we started the car and we stopped smoking, as you see.
I've been coming here for just about 3 years. I've been coming here for about 3 years, and I'm a regular walk-in client. I had no idea who these guys were. I took a chance, and yeah, there are some good guys out in Dubai because I've been very happy with their service. Very honest. The staff are very helpful, very nice.
Mufti Mubarak is bringing this car always to this garage. I just wanted to ask his opinion why he is servicing here. Mr. Mubarak,
Yes, sir.
could you please tell us your fair opinion, because the guys, our followers should know what is the plus here and why you are servicing your the car here.
Yeah, actually, I like to make myself for this garage. Okay, first of all, the cost, sure.
Cost, okay, yeah.
They give me the best, okay? And the transparency. When it come, if there's any issues, they tell me exactly what's the point, and they make always in the WhatsApp. They send me the pictures, videos, whatever they need to be changed. Okay, they communicate with me. The way they communicate with me, the transparency with me, I like it.
I see.
Also, there is many issues. I found my car. Okay, I have Bentley, another car, Bentley. Okay, you need to do programming on that one.
Yes,
so I
yes.
found it here, the cheapest price actually.
Okay.
Yeah, and they can program any, these luxury cars.